Honda is back. Beast still dominates. The 2026 Honda CB1300 Super Bol door is unstoppable. What if one of the most legendary motorcycles ever built refused to fade away, and instead came back stronger than ever? Meet the 2026 Honda CB1300 Super Bol door, a machine that proves true icons never die. At first glance, it looks like a blast from the past. That half-fairing, that muscular stance, that unmistakable retro DNA. But here's the shocking part. This isn't just nostalgia. This is a fully refined, modern machine hiding behind a classic design. And in 2026, Honda has taken everything that made this bike legendary and pushed it even further. More refinement, more control, more presence. This isn't about chasing trends. It's about preserving something timeless. And in a world where motorcycles are becoming more aggressive, more complex, and more extreme, this bike does something different. It stays true to itself. So the question is this the last true big-bore naked legend, or is it simply a relic trying to survive in a modern world? Because once you understand what this machine offers, you might realize it's not just surviving, it's thriving. Let's talk about the heart of the 2026 Honda CB1300 Super Bol door, because this is where the legend truly lives. A massive 1,284cc inline-4 engine sits at the center of this machine, delivering smooth, relentless power that defines what a big-bore naked bike should feel like. This isn't about explosive acceleration like a super sport. It's about strong, linear power that builds with confidence. Twist the throttle, and you feel a deep surge that just keeps going. No sudden spikes, no surprises, just pure, controlled performance. And that's what makes it so addictive. This engine doesn't demand your attention. It earns your respect. Whether you're cruising through the city or opening it up on the highway, it delivers a level of performance that feels effortless. And that signature inline-4 sound? Smooth, refined, and unmistakably Honda. This isn't just power, it's heritage. Now here's where the 2026 Honda CB1300 Super Bol door truly separates itself. It's incredibly smooth. Everything about this bike feels refined, polished, and perfectly balanced. The throttle response is predictable, the power delivery is seamless, and the overall ride feels effortless. This isn't a bike that challenges you, it works with you. And that's what makes it so enjoyable. You don't have to fight it, you don't have to adapt to it. It just feels right. This is the kind of bike you can ride all day without feeling tired. And that's something not every high-performance machine can offer. This is power you can live with. Power you can enjoy. Power that doesn't overwhelm, it enhances. Let's be honest. The 2026 Honda CB1300 Super Bol door looks absolutely iconic. The half-fairing, the round headlights, the muscular tank, it all comes together to create a design that feels timeless. This isn't a bike that follows trends, it sets them. And in a world where motorcycles are becoming more aggressive and futuristic, this bike stands out by embracing its heritage. It doesn't try to be something it's not. It knows exactly what it is, and that confidence is what makes it so appealing. This is more than just a motorcycle. It's a piece of history. And when you see it on the road, you know you're looking at something special. Comfort is one of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Honda CB1300 Super Bol door. Despite its performance capabilities, it's incredibly easy to live with. The seat is wide and supportive, the riding position is upright, and the overall ergonomics are designed for real-world riding. This is a bike you can ride for hours without feeling fatigued, and that's what makes it so versatile. Whether you're commuting, touring, or just enjoying a weekend ride, it delivers a level of comfort that keeps you coming back. This isn't just a performance machine, it's a daily companion. You might expect a bike this large to feel heavy, but the 2026 Honda CB1300 Super Bol door surprises you. Thanks to its well-balanced chassis and refined suspension, it feels stable, predictable, and incredibly confidence-inspiring. It's not a lightweight sport bike, but it doesn't need to be. This is a bike built for real-world riding. It handles corners with ease, maintains stability at high speeds, and delivers a ride that feels controlled and composed. This is confidence on two wheels. While the 2026 Honda CB1300 Super Bol door embraces its retro design, it doesn't ignore modern technology. You get essential rider aids, improved braking systems, and subtle upgrades that enhance the overall experience. But here's the key: it doesn't feel overcomplicated. The technology works in the background, allowing you to focus on the ride. This is modern engineering done right. Here's where the 2026 Honda CB1300 Super Bol door really shines. It's incredibly practical. Comfortable, reliable, and easy to ride, it fits into your daily life without any issues. Whether you're commuting or heading out for a long ride, it adapts to your needs. This is a bike you can actually use and enjoy. So who is the 2026 Honda CB1300 Super Bol door really for? It's for riders who appreciate heritage, smooth performance, and real-world usability. It's for those who want a bike that feels timeless. And that's what makes it so special. So here's the final question. Is the 2026 Honda CB1300 Super Bol door still relevant in 2026? Absolutely. It proves that true legends don't need to change to stay relevant. They just need to stay true to themselves. And in a world full of fast-changing trends, that's exactly what makes this bike so powerful.